Hey everyone, Tech Steve here, and today I'm going to unbox for you guys the LG UQ7590. This is a entry-level television for LG. It's 4K and it has a lot of great features to offer. So sit back and relax and let's get started. If you was to see this TV online or in a store, it's going to go by UQ75, just so you guys know. This is what they consider a real 4K television, meaning that it will support 4069 by 2160 resolution. It has the 5th generation A5 processor, and that's going to clean up your images to make everything look clear. It also has the thin Q, and what that is that it has a lot of features like voice commands, automatic picture settings, and sound settings. And with the purchase of a separate Magic Remote Control, you can get the Google features. It also has built-in Alexa, and it does work with Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. And for reference, this is the full model number on the one that I have here today. This is a 43-inch, and I can handle it by myself, but they do make this television up to, I believe, an 86-inch. And with that model, you definitely want to have some help because that TV is so big that you won't be able to lift it on your own. So we'll go and get this one out of the box, and I'll show you the inputs and all that good stuff so you can kind of understand what you're buying if you buy one like this one. All right, so first thing you get in here is a little guide that shows you how to take it out of the box. This is a smaller TV. But if you get the larger one, it's going to break it down how you want to put it together. Plus, there's some other models over there that you can check out. Also, there's a power cord, and that means that the power cord is removable, which is great. You get 2 feet. And let's take off this styrofoam. And down here, let's see here. You get a safety guide, a basic instruction book, and again, that Magic Remote Control doesn't come with this one if you want that pointer and all that good stuff. So here's the remote control that comes with this one. All right, let's go and get out of the box so we can take a closer look. There we go. And it does have this plastic on it, but it doesn't have is a piece of cardboard over the screen, which I like seeing on newer TVs. But it's not much you can do, right? So there we go. We got everything out of the box here. Now let's go ahead and screw on the feet. Another thing I'm going to point out is that these feet are labeled. So there's an A right there, and there's an A on the television. And then you're just going to sit it like this. We'll go ahead and open up the screws. And by the way, it only takes 1 screw per side. Now, if you decide to use a power drill, make sure you use one of the clutch because you don't want to strip anything out. And then you're just going to put this in like that. And that's installed. And we'll do the same thing for the other side. And go ahead and put the screw in. Now, another thing I want to point out while I have this TV on the side is down here you have like a full range speaker, and there's a little port, and it's like that on both sides. And then there's a little switch right here so you can get through some of the basic menu settings. So looking at this TV in particular, there's an energy savings guide that you can peel off right here. And then up here, it has a 2022 little logo that you can pull out. Another thing I want to point out is that this TV is a 60 hertz television, but if you buy this 86-inch version, then you get a native 120 hertz. So keep that in mind that they do have different panels in them. And I'm not sure which ones are IPS or VA at this time, but later on when I do my full review on my Tech Steve channel, then I'll see if I get that all researched for you guys. And last thing I forgot to mention is that it does have plastic that goes all around the edge of the television, so it's easy to pull off. Now looking at the back cover, it's made out of plastic, but it's smooth, and I really like that. It's got a slot up here for heat, and then there's some screw holes to mount it on the wall. Over here you have your slot so you can plug it into the outlet very easy. And the inputs are taking a playbook right out of Samsung TU7000. You have 2 HDMIs, one of them's eARC, so you can run uncompressed sound. You have a 2.0 tuner, a fiber optic output, and a LAN connection for connected directly to a router. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. And here's a quick look at the remote control again. It does come with AAA batteries. You have your power button as well as your input button. Over here is your number pad, and then you have your volume, channels, as well as a direct TV button, home button to get to all the apps, hotkeys, and then there's some controls at the bottom. So that's pretty much what the remote control has to offer. Very easy, just press that down, put your batteries in, you're good to go. So that's all we have on this video, just doing an unboxing, but I will have a series of videos showing you how to set it up and a whole lot more. I'm Tech Steve. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!